By the way, we're not sponsored by anyone. Or at least yet we aren't.
By the way, we make sure to be a Beavers fan probably. Because
hey, okay, now that's something they can choose to be or not.
we're by team.
Yes.
You want to take off your hoodie?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Guys! Guys!
Daddy?
What?
Over here.
Wait, is that thing recording still?
Dang it! Quick, put it back on my head! I need to back up.
Turn around.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Blake, are you getting overheated?
No, just I want to.
I mean, it's up to you. Like,
And it feels a little bit better, kind of cooler.
yeah, you gotta get sweaty.
I mean, I have a thing on my head that I have to run around with for the content.
And it's making me kind of
Hello.
so hot that
Pack in, you pack out.
it's not coming out of my nose, guys.
And I'm actually gonna...
There you go.
Okay, off to the side, guys. Here comes the phone.
What? Oh. Okay, yep, we'll get off to the side.
Okay, I'll get way off the trail.
Don't go over in that area.
Dang it.
Remember, rotten stumps can be treacherous. You can fall down
Yeah,
inside.
I just hit my hand on a tree and this happened.
Oh no.
Hi there.
Hi.
It's worth the walk.
Yeah.
You can't hear it now, but it is there.
Oh, good.
All right.
Yeah. There's water in it, huh?
Oh, we kept wanting. Then you get over the couple minute log.
And if you guys didn't know,
Need your billy goat.
I am not just anything.
That's exactly what I'm wearing.
I am part fish, so I can swim underwater really well and kind of breathe a little bit.
But
Like,
Jeremy, have you seen
Hey,
the
I can
goats?
talk.
Hey, where's some water? I'm gonna push you into the water when we get there.
I can't talk, just
about it the
it's
other
gonna make a little bit of a bubble noise when I talk underwater.
Talking fish language. You say you're a fish, so talking fish language.
But it'd be perfect.
I'm a fish, I'm a fish.
When we get tired, we can ride him back
Nope.
down.
What are you saying?
Hello, I
I am a fish?
am a fish, but I'm also
Then
human.
We can get a
Because
kimono dress.
I can talk underwater, just it makes a little bit of a bubbly noise.
And to be the weirdest best friend.
Wait, then if you're part fish, then how are you alive on land? Now it's like you're fishing. Where are your gills?
Dude, I'm only half fish. Like, all it is just that I can see underwater without
You
goggles.
never know. It
And
could work out perfect.
I could swim underwater
Either they would
really
like each other
well,
all.
but not very well over water.
Let's see what Buddy thinks.
Like, I am also kind of half shark, so that's why I float up so high.
Yeah, just 1 second.
My body automatically floats up.
Yeah, we like to play a lot of games, so, yeah, you just trust me on this one.
Hi.
Hi.
Look, it's changing. Boys, you see that we're going from lava rock?
To an,
dirt
to an
and
actual
everything?
path. The GoPro's getting readjusted.
Also, if you guys didn't know, I have a tribe of Indians. Yep. I am a Sioux Indian, guys. Ah! If you guys didn't know, that's how I call my tribe. No, dude. See, dude. Only Indians can do it really good.
Ow, my eardrums.
Woo, woo.
Parkour.
Kuka.
I'm doing some parkour for you,
Guys,
for the
I'm
content.
just gonna call a Yeti problem. Tatanikwa. I tried to call in a Yeti here. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta
Yeah, I said we do play a lot of games, so. Oh yeah, this is cool.
It is, huh?
Hobbit hole.
Baby Yeti hole. No, guys,
Wait.
it's
That's a lot.
Quiet for a second. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. Stop. What do you hear?
Something.
What is it?
Something. It's a crow.
It's a Yeti made out of water.
Waterfall.
shark.
What?
It's a shark. It's a Sharknado.
Wait, if there's a shark near, we can tame it. Guys, if there's
How from trying to tame a shark?
guys, I'm half cookie cutter shark. That's why I eat my teeth.
Oh, Becky,
And I always.
did your fingers slip?
It did. It flipped. My bad.
This GoPro's on my head,
And
Becky, so
every
we can't.
set of teeth, I eat at least one tooth. I eat it.
Wait, then if you're a shark, then how come your teeth haven't regrown yet?
No, I'm half cookie cutter shark. My teeth regrow once all my teeth fall out.
Yeah,
They
so,
completely.
yeah, so they transitioned from baby teeth to adult teeth.
No,
We
it goes
are.
from baby
Isn't
teeth
that awesome?
to infinity teeth.
There's no lava rock.
Like as soon as I lose these teeth,
Bed.
All right,
and I grow another
more
one,
parkour, just
I grow.
content. Yay!
Twisty trees. I love that.
Whoa! Oh, dang it!
That one might be slick.
Yeah. Let's not get up and down anyway.
Fall down and
What
get
the?
hurt.
Okay.
Look, there's a shorter one right there.
All right, content time. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Huh.
Careful.
Great. Go pull your butt.
You're gonna pull it back?
Content.
Right here. Just a little bit.
15.
Hi.
Campsite 14.
Hey, Becky, it's campsite 14.
I messaged that the other day to him.
What?
To my cousins, campsite 14.
Oh!
Told him I can't wait till we get to meet at campsite 14 again.
Oh, is that fun?
Camping? Yeah.
Yeah.
So gotta go with us.
Hey, Becky, it's campsite 14.
I think we should all go, just us as family too.
Hey, Becky,
Let's do it.
Becky, there's a guy with a machete.
Yeah.
Becky, guys, because at campsite 14, we were playing hide and seek.
Guys, look at these trees.
Yeah. I'm trying to get them the content.
Getting some motion sickness is what you're gonna do. This is cool.
Because you don't get this campsite 14 stuff. We were playing hide and seek at a camp, and there was this guy with a machete and a gun that had actual magazines. Yeah,
Also a butterfly.
yeah, he had a butterfly knife too, and like a gun that was fully loaded. And he was actually playing hide and seek with us. So we just started making all these jokes about campsite 14, and like we were in a real life horror movie. What? Parkour! Oh yeah.
Stay back. You stay back.
Can I give them the GoPro? What you want, boy?
Hide behind these trees.
This is by far the stupidest thing we have ever done. We got this kid over here, and we got me over here. Yeah, I'm an undercover spy. Cause there's no webs. Guys, I'm gonna make a run for it. Dude! Stealth mode. Got another spy on our hands. Dude, I can use this tree's cover.
Guys, look! It's a fort!
Is it?
Yeah, it's taking the top one off, hop in and close it back down.
Oh, it is. Looks like it has eroded. Inside.
Run.
It's on the outside.
It's full of trees! Dear God!
You little huffalump.
You little...
Alright. We gotta go.
Ah! Oh! You have died!
We gotta go find position
have
2.
died.
Yeah, we have to go find position 2s. Parkour!
Parkour.
Parkour! Tree is big enough for both to have cover. I'll let you stay on that side. Oh wait, you probably want the more dangerous side. You want the dangerous side, huh? Campsite 14.
Ah! Did you miss me?
Dude.
Say goodbye.
I can really use this spot. I'm gonna have to make a run for it. I'm gonna go down to that tree.
Dude, let's wake up.
What do you think I'm doing?
Guys,
Yeah,
Oh shoot, is it raining?
might be. Supposed to. I mean, there's a chance of rain today, so. Good job, Blake.
I'm actually hiding in the birch tree. Nice. You weren't supposed to turn around yet.
Sorry.
That is so cool, Jimmy.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah. It didn't just grow out of there. It like literally.
wait a minute.
Oh yeah, it's definitely starting to rain. Oh wow.
You're the elf.
To change the world, a 4-leaf clover. Guys,
What?
Hello.
Where are you?
I lost you.
Right here.
Dude.
I am the one that better be.
Hey Becky.
Yeah?
I'm Tarzan.
Not so loud.
Come over here. We got something to show you.
Okay. Okay.
Look up.
Got that tree.
See the tree? How it goes over and then it's got a
Yeah.
tree going out of it?
I still want to look up because I don't want to get water in my eye.
Come here, honey.
Wait,
Turn around, Blake. Look at this
wait,
tree.
is the GoPro wet?
You
No,
see the
it's
tree that has a tree growing out of it?
The GoPro's
Yeah.
waterproof, you know.
Cool, huh?
Wow. Nice.
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 Guys, look, 4-leaf clovers are everywhere.
Those aren't 4-leaf clovers, honey.
Yeah, they are.
That's another plant. I don't know what it is, but it's not a 4-leaf clover.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. If it
Definitely.
brings you luck, it brings you luck. Doesn't matter what it is. Could be something.
Hey, I got a stick that has 4 branches on it. That means it's lucky. Should we go find next positions? Alright, let's go find position 3s.
Expedition.
This is by far the stupidest thing we have ever done, but it's fun though.
Let's show them.
Did you miss me?
Dude.
Is that-
this
is that-
actually growing
wait.
out of a tree and
Hang
then
on.
it...
Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
I need to find some sticks. Wait, I got my bow and arrow.
Dude, throw it.
No.
Throw the arrow, dude.
Here you go.
Let's go find us a waterfall.
Come on, boys, keep up. It's starting to rain.
It's probably normal parkour for you guys now that's starting to rain.
I'm sorry, guys, but you guys,
It's starting to rain.
he's 8. The recorder's 8, but I'm almost 7.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, I can make pretty good oof sounds. Ooh,
Oof.
ooh,
Oof.
ooh. Yeah, what?
Oh. Boom.
And I'm crazy. Guys, after we're done hiking this way, I will be recording, and you'll get to see the recorder. Walking up.
That's,
No, don't step over there. You're
I
floating.
know I'm not Viking, guys.
You're not a Viking?
Eli, your shoes aren't tight.
Are you passing us, Viking?
I am half.
oh shoot, everything's
only
perfect.
half
Or you can
Viking.
just tie it
I'm
over.
not full Viking. I'm only full Indian.
Becky, do something.
But I'm not full.
Do something?
Yeah.
But I don't know how to
That's what I did! How did you know?
Because we know you.
Good. I wouldn't want anybody else to know.
Guys, if you guys didn't know, we do watch a lot of Preston Place and Dan TDM. I
Run!
watch a lot